Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Cullum Costello. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a stock that is very exciting. It's a play on the vaccine, but not only that, it's going to be huge in 5G also, so stick around. The stock we're talking about is ticker symbol GLW, or Corning stock. First, we'll take a look at Corning as a business and look at what they do, as they're involved in everything. You guys probably already own one of their products. Then we'll take a look at Corning as a stock to see if it's one that you might want to get invested in. You guys, this one has so much potential, and I'm going to show you why. Let's get into the video. Corning is one of our world's leading innovators in material science with life-changing inventions for over 169 years. They apply their expertise in glass science, ceramic science, and optical physics. Today, Corning's market includes optical communications, mobile consumer electronics, display, automotive, and life sciences. Corning has leading products including damage-resistant covers for glass or mobile devices, precision glass for advanced displays, optical fiber, wireless technologies, connectivity solutions for state-of-the-art communications networks, products to accelerate drug discovery and delivery, and clean air technologies for cars and trucks. So why do I like Corning so much? Well, there's many reasons, but the first reason I started even looking into Corning was because of this. The vaccine that's going to be coming out, while everyone's out running around trying to find out who's going to produce this vaccine and come out with it first and trying to buy that stock, I'm going to buy the stock of Corning. They're going to put the vaccine in the vials that Corning is making. They've already ramped up production and are producing twice as many of these because they know that they're going to be in demand. The vaccine is going to become a two-part thing, so you're going to have to get 2 shots for the vaccine. So they're going to need a lot of these vials. On November 15th, they came out with an article. They're partnering with someone coming out with a product that's going to be very breakthrough, in my opinion. We'll take a look at that in a second. But first, let's look at more of the things that Corning does and some more reasons why you might want to get invested in them. Majority of the people now own cell phones or mobile devices of some sort. Well, Corning is involved with that also, as they probably make the glass for the cell phone that's in your pocket. Let's take a look at an article that I really want to show you, because it got me excited when I saw it. Here's an article from back in 2019. This little company right here you guys might have heard of. They've been partnered with Corning since one of the first iPhones came out. Corning makes all the glass for Apple. They also make the glass for a lot of other cell phone companies, but I thought this might interest you a little bit. So, Corning makes glass medicine vials. They make the glass for the cell phones, but don't forget about this next one, because it's going to be huge and it's coming out soon, and that's 5G. How is Corning involved with 5G? Let's take a look. Corning is involved in the fiber optic cable business, and they also have a submarine cable that is laid in the ocean transporting 5G. Corning also has a next-generation 5G platform that Verizon agreed to a 3-year, $1.05 billion contract with them back in 2017. Corning was highly involved in the infrastructure of 5G. Next, let's take a look at a recent article. It just came out on November 15th, and I think this is a breakthrough product. So briefly, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the article, and I'll leave a link in the description down below in case you guys want to check the article out yourselves. So, Corning has partnered with a company called PPG. Together, they've come up with a paint. And in this paint is a Corning Guardian that is tested and proven to kill 99.9% of viruses. I thought that was pretty wild, the paint that's going to kill viruses. But this is the glass age, and Corning offers many powerful solutions with glass that is stronger than steel and can be rolled up like paper. Corning helps us look deeper and reach further with strength and beauty. Next, we're going to take a look and see what GLW or Corning stock is trading at. So let's jump on over to Yahoo Finance. So here we are on Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol GLW for Corning Incorporated. We can see they're trading right now at $36.85, and they have a market cap of $28.167 billion. You guys, there's another reason I really like to invest in this company. They pay a dividend also. Not only are they involved in so many different things and they're going to bring in revenue in so many different markets, they pay a dividend while you hold their shares also of 2.46%. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. It's free, and all you're going to do is learn about ways to make your money grow. Now that we know what Corning does as a company, and we know what they're trading at, let's take a look at the balance sheet and see how the financials are. Here's the balance sheet. It's from MarketWatch. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. But what I do when I look at a balance sheet real quick, I'll add up the cash, the short-term investment, and the long-term investments. Then I'll add up their short-term debt and long-term debt, and I'll compare the two against each other. So right here we see they have cash and short-term investments of $2.43 billion. We look down at the long-term investments and we see they have long-term investments of $135 million. So if we add up their cash, their short-term investments, and their long-term investments, we come up with $2.585 billion. We look here and Corning has a short-term debt of $73 million, which is nothing, but we see they have a pretty substantial long-term debt of $8.18 billion. So if we add those two together, it's $8.253 billion in debt. Now when you stack that up against their $2.585 billion in cash, that's a pretty offset balance sheet, and it's not exactly what you're looking for, but I think Corning can pull out of this one and clean this up with the revenues in the incoming years. Now let's take a look at the one-year chart. We'll see what ticker symbol GLW has been doing over the last year. This is the one-year chart on ticker symbol GLW. We can see it just gapped up. If you look all the way to the right there where it says 3703, we see a big bottom wick on the candle with a gap up, and that's a very bullish candle right there. If we look at that yellow line, those are the previous highs from back in March of 2019. So since the March, we all know what happened in March. Since then, this thing has been on a very steady uptrend, and we just had a gap up, and we're showing very bullish chart right here. So what do you think? Is ticker GLW a buy? Do me a favor. There's a comment section down below. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of Corning. Let me know if you already own Corning or recommend a stock. I love hearing from each and every one of you. And I also want to say thank you so much to all of you that have liked and subscribed so far. It does not go unnoticed. We just hit 400 subscribers and we're not going anywhere. So join the family. Till next time, you guys, that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Cullum Costello. Now hit that subscribe button. Tap that thumbs up and go out and get money.